During this video, we're going to talk about how you can manage your customer data between WooCommerce and Square. So here I am right now inside of the customers tab inside of the app, and we have two main sections. We have Map, Square Groups, and WordPress Roles, and then we have Square and Woo customers. So let's get started with the groups and the WordPress roles. So what we can do here is we can select a WordPress role. So for example, I will go with Demo, and then I will select a Square group and we'll go with Platinum. And we'll give this a priority of 1, and then we'll click on Add Mapping. That will automatically refresh and we can see that below. Then let's do it again. The WordPress role will be Administrator and the Square group will be Platinum once again. And we'll go with priority of 2 and click on Add Mapping once again. So what this means is anyone inside of our Platinum group inside of Square will automatically be given a demo role and an administrator role inside of WordPress. And the priority just determines the primary role they are receiving. So in this case, the primary role will be demo. Now, this is useful if you want to set up content on your store or your website for specific WordPress roles or groups. If you want special pricing for different groups, or you want to restrict content for certain groups, this is where this feature comes into play. Now, just below that, we have our Square and our Woo customers. You can see the name, their email, their source, any groups they're a part of, and any roles they are a part of, and their status. For the source, we can see if they are from Square, if they are from Woo, or if they are from both, like these examples here. Now, sometimes you might see that you have someone from Woo with one email address, and you will see someone from Square with that exact same email address. If that's the case, all you want to do on the right-hand side is click on Match All. It's going to ask us if we also want to assign roles. We're going to leave that as yes, and we're going to click on Start Matching. And that's going to go ahead and automatically match together anyone that has the same email on Woo and on Square. So that will go ahead and process, and it will refresh automatically once it's finished. Perfect. Now we can also import, export, or sync all the customers. For this, on the right-hand side, we're going to click on the import option here, and that's going to give us quite a few options here. We can import Square customers, export WordPress users, or sync linked customers. We're going to turn these off for now, and we only want to import Square customers. Next up, do you want to send a new email? We're going to say no. Do you want to set the roles, which we set up here? We're going to leave that to yes, and then we're going to click on Start. Once we do that, we can see it's already finished. We click on Close, and that's automatically going to refresh for us again. And once that refreshes, we can see everything is now linked, and we can also click on Users on the left-hand side and see a list of the users with their roles as well. That's it for this one. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next tutorial video.